Intense winds, storm surge, and water levels reaching some record highs right now.
Yeah, it's a recipe for disaster in Louisiana as an entire state braces for impact from what could be the first hurricane of the season. Take a look. Tropical Storm Barry is still churning through the Gulf of Mexico and is expected to make landfall within just a few hours. NBC's Wendy Woolfolk is on the ground in Jefferson Parish, Louisiana, with the very latest.
With Barry's arrival imminent, the time to get out is over.
At what point do you think you might draw the line and get out of town?
Well, I'm not the smartest guy in the world, so I'm going to stay here no matter what.
Low-lying parishes are already taking on water. And with 25 inches of rain expected in some areas, it's only going to get worse.
This is the first time in the history of the levee district that we've had to close every single gate, including on the river, due to the river being so high.
The swollen Mississippi is already 8 feet above normal. Barry's expected 70-mile-an-hour winds could cause a storm surge that will put the levees protecting New Orleans to the test.
Game day is here. The only thing we can be assured of is something will change in the plan because we're dealing with the unknown.
The entire region on edge, hoping it's ready. Wendy Woolfolk, Local 4.
Wow, and as we continue to follow the impact the storm is already having, Andrew's keeping a close eye on where it's headed next.
Let's get right to Andrew here at 6:03. Andrew, how long could it be until we start seeing some of this weather churn our way?
Well, over the coming days, they'll turn farther north and they get closer to southeast Michigan as we get closer to next week. But for now, as mentioned by Sean, Priya, and the reporter that you saw down in New Orleans, is the concern of heavy rain and storm surge that occurs right now because Barry is moving very slowly still, just like yesterday when you joined me. It's only moving at around 5 or 6 miles per hour. Take a look at 4 Live radar. With the power of 4 Live radar, you can see we can zoom in anywhere within not only Detroit and southeast Michigan, but anywhere within the entire country. And local radar there is picking up a lot of those heavy rain showers that continue to occur, not only for the city of New Orleans, but as you can see, southern Alabama, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, including Mobile. It continues to churn away. If there's one silver lining, it still has not intensified. Winds yesterday were at 65 miles per hour near the center. Same thing today. But the main story is the water. Copious amounts of rain, storm surge 3 to 6 feet. It will move very slowly to the west-northwest, continuing this morning, making landfall within the next few hours, possibly intensifying to a Category 1 hurricane. But if it does, it will only be brief because much of it will then be on shore later on today. So going back into a tropical storm, still dumping at least a foot of rain within a 24-hour period. By the end of the weekend, possibly more than a foot, closer to 2 feet of rain as it continues to move farther to the north. Then it gets closer to us as we go into the middle of next week. But it still remains to be seen what the remnants will be like. For us today, turning to your local weather, we've got the opposite. Sunshine this morning. It does get a little stormy this afternoon. Emphasis on little. There's a weak cold front on the way. It gets hotter and more humid, so count on a scattered shower or thunderstorm by 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon or afterward, with highs in the upper 80s. Back over to you.